Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a clear frame on CapCut. Go to overlay and add in a white stock video. So add overlay, stock videos, and select the white background. Scale it. Go to mask, rectangle, and select invert on the bottom left corner of your screen. And just scale it. Press the check mark button. Go to splice and select overlay. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!